Alright, moving on. We've our one more last problem here with solving single step equations. We've done an example of addition, subtraction, multiplication. Now you can see here we have a value, a variable y. It's being divided by 9. And when I take y and divide it into 9 pieces, it equals 6. So if I think about this in division, I'm taking that y value, I'm splitting it into 9 groups, and each group ends up being a value of 6. So again, as you're working with algebraic problems, try and think about what it is you're actually doing, multiplying, dividing, subtraction, adding, etc. But again, my goal is to isolate that y. I'm going to do stuff to both sides of the equation, and I want to get y by itself to see what does y equal. So here, I have to figure out, well, how do I undo dividing by 9? Well, the opposite of dividing by 9 in this case is going to be multiplying. Last example, we were multiplying, so we divided. So I'm going to take everything on the left here, and I'm going to multiply by 9. And just to write it out, we can think of a whole number. I can write it out as 9 over 1. And hopefully you'll kind of see how all of our fraction understanding that you previously worked with will help to work it out. So I'm taking the left side and multiplying it by 9, but I wrote it as a fraction just to kind of help us see how it works out, how it shakes out a little better. Okay, let's do this. On the top, when I multiply fractions, I've got 9 times y. And on the bottom, I've got 1 times 9, which is just 9. Well, again, I'm seeing I've got this whole scenario of a number divided by itself. 9 divided by 9 just turns into 1, and I have 1 times y. And any number times 1 is just itself, so I've successfully isolated y. Feeling pretty good there. Now I just need to go back and make sure I do the same thing to both sides. If I multiply the left side by 9, to keep things equal and balanced, I have to make the right side 9 times bigger. So now the right side is 9 times bigger. I'm feeling it equal. 6 times 9 is 54. So my solution is that y equals 54. Well, let's check our work. If I put 54 in place of y, is 54 divided by 9, is that equal to 6? I'm going to check that out. I can pull out my calculator, and yep, I'm pretty sure 54 divided by 9 is 6. It checks out. I'm feeling really good about this problem. The solution is that y should be 5.